Welcome to the world of graphic design, a universe where colors, shapes, and textures collide to create visual stories. I'm Momina Batool, an enthusiast who has found her calling in the realm of graphic design. My passion lies in transforming simple ideas into visually stunning narratives, crafting designs that captivate and inspire. Through this medium, I've discovered the profound power of visual communication. A well-designed graphic can speak volumes, transcending the barriers of language and culture. It's a fascinating journey that constantly challenges me to think outside the box, to push the boundaries of my creativity, and to explore new horizons of design. One of the hallmarks of a great designer, I believe, is versatility. I strive to master a diverse range of styles, from minimalist and clean to intricate and ornate. Each style has its unique charm and serves a specific purpose. A minimalist design, for instance, communicates elegance and sophistication, while an intricate design can convey complexity and depth. Typography is another essential skill in my toolkit. It's not just about choosing a pretty font, it's about understanding how different fonts interact with each other, how they influence the overall aesthetic of the design, and how they can enhance or diminish the message you're trying to convey. Color theory is another fascinating area of graphic design. It's amazing how different colors can evoke different emotions, and how they can completely transform a design. Understanding color theory allows me to create designs that resonate with the audience on a deeper emotional level. But the journey doesn't stop there. I continue to explore other areas of graphic design, such as logo design, branding, and digital illustration. Each of these skills adds another layer to my design repertoire, enabling me to create more dynamic and engaging designs. Looking ahead, I aspire to make a significant impact in the design industry. I envision myself crafting compelling visual narratives for global brands, using my design skills to create meaningful change. I aim to keep pushing my creative boundaries, to keep learning and evolving, and to become a design force to be reckoned with. In the world of design, the only limitation is your imagination. I'm excited to see where this journey takes me, and I can't wait to share my future creations with you. So buckle up and join me on this exciting voyage of colors, shapes, and creativity. The adventure of graphic design awaits.